Hey everybody, it's the Walker. So what are you doing today? Well, we've been working the ridges. We're on the AT. I think what we need to do is gotta find ourselves a spot because I think there's a storm brewing. Skies, look at that. It's all steely. Wind's picking up. Gotta get ourselves a spot, set up our shelter, get some wood, get some water, all the usual things. But first, gotta get ourselves a spot. Bear box. I'm kind of glad you're finally taking it seriously, you know? Wasn't here, I was here a couple years ago. This wasn't here. So we're definitely gonna be using this. And we're gonna be setting up, let's see. This is like a perfect spot. Yeah, we have everything we need here. Flat ground. I don't see that much widowmaker risk though. With a storm, there's no guarantees on anything. But this is gonna be our home for a couple days maybe. I think what we'll do, it's always, do I go for water, wood, or do I set the shelter? Given the wind that's starting to come in and the clouds, I'm thinking shelter first, then we'll go get the wood, and finally we'll worry about the water. I already have some water I got earlier today, so we're good. Look for stuff that has fallen. It's basically off the ground. This looks good. Good of water. We've got the wood. I don't know about the quality of that wood. It's all mixed in there with hemlock. So hemlock's bad. There's a lot of sparks on my tent. But we also have a lot of snow in the tent too, so I'm gonna have to go out and police this shelter. There's also some other woods mixed in there as well. Let's get the stove going. Well, we're at that stage where we're taking off our layers because it's getting really hot in here. I don't think it's going to be much below 28 degrees tonight with the stove. It's cranking. Let me show you what we're going to try for dinner tonight. Something a little bit different. And this is barley and lentils. And of course the sacred bacon. I think this will be just fine. The sacred bacon. give this a try. Nope. Oh, I'm giving, that's awesome. That's really good. Look at that. I'm definitely recommending this, Earthly Choice barley and lentil. It's excellent. Also comes mostly hydrated, so I don't have to use my water. That makes it a little bit heavier, though. Fantastic. We're going to have to do a couple things. We're losing shelter floor space. We're going to have to go out, police the shelter. Nice glove. There we go. We're also going to have to put this stuff in the bear box as well. Okay. Basically, I just run the stove, fill it up with wood, and turn it for the night. I think this is a good spot. Kind of nice setting up before the snow. I don't have to deal with snow for this nice leaves and dead grass. All right. A bit more knife and the bear spray right here. That's a good night. See what kind of snow we got outside. Maybe it snowed at maybe 4 in the morning or something like that. Not that much, I don't think. Maybe 5 inches or something like that. We'll find out. See right here, see, it's getting more type of wood I'm looking for. We see if we can scrounge up. whatever the woods has to offer. I don't want what's on the ground, but I'll take what was above the ground. Good. This is perfect. Ordinarily, I might be inclined to split up something this size, but it's not going to be that cold tonight. And I'm thinking these larger chunks might just keep my tent a comfortable 65 or 70 when it's in the upper 20s tonight. Just a short little trip to the tent. It's charging good. We're going to do a review on the LI 100 for the channel. It's doing a good job as both a power bank and a charger of lithium ion and regular NIMH AA's and AAA batteries. Like under $5 too. I think I'll move my sleeping arrangements as well. I'll put that over there maybe. I'll try something different. That was okay, but it wasn't that great. Whoa. Come back here, Locke. There you go. We'll need some more wood, but we're getting there. This hanging white birch bark is a great resource. We're going to take it, and we can do so without harming the tree in any way. Just take what's hanging. Use this birch bark. No reason to be stingy with it. You got plenty. Whoa. Sometimes the birch bark works a little too good. Oh, it's putting off some good heat. Well, I think we have a super hyper rolling boil. Perfect. Let's try the beef stew Mountain House. It's got plenty of vegetables in it. It's not bad. There's some potatoes, chunks of beef. I mean, I wouldn't make it if I was home. But for a fast meal where you're just boiling water, it's good. And I kind of like the peas. I think that's more than enough wood to last throughout the whole night. I like to have the stove set up and ready to go. Birch bark works great. Can't use too much in a stove though, or it'll blow through the whole system and start raining down your tent. But to get the stove going, works fantastic. Cooking good. So we have some owls outside. Maybe they want some of my bacon. But we're going to add some pepperoni to the mix. I don't know if anybody hear those owls, but they're pretty neat. That is pepperoni fried in bacon grease with bacon. Gonna pack all this up before that rain hits. Get out of here. some ways the slushy snow is worse than cold frozen stuff because it just sticks to your micro spikes or crampons. What do we got going on? All right. Well, that's about it. Got just another few miles to go here, so I figure it's a good enough place to end it as any. If you like what you've seen, hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Y'all have a great day. Just gotta finish this off. And thanks again for watching.